Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to play chess in a tournament. First, ensure you know the fundamental rules of chess, including piece movements and checkmate. Next, find and register for an official tournament, often through a national or local chess federation. Make sure to understand the specific format, such as Swiss system or round robin, and the time controls, which might be 90 minutes per player with a 30-second increment. Always bring your own chess clock and a pen for recording moves. During your game, strict rules apply. Remember the touch move rule. If you touch a piece with the intention of moving it, you must move it if legal. You must also record every move using algebraic notation on your score sheet, which is crucial for disputes and analysis. Always maintain silence and avoid any behavior that could distract other players. A handshake with your opponent before and after the game is standard etiquette. Effective strategy and time management are vital for success. Develop a reliable opening repertoire to navigate the initial phase confidently. Throughout the game, focus on tactical opportunities and improving your piece positions. Crucially, manage your time wisely. Allocate enough thought to critical moments without running out of time. Always calculate variations carefully, especially as the game progresses into the middle game and end game phases. After each game, take time to analyze your performance. Review your score sheet to pinpoint where you made errors or missed better moves. This self-reflection is key to improvement. Additionally, study games by strong players and delve into chess theory to deepen your strategic and tactical knowledge. Consistent practice, perhaps with a coach, will significantly refine your skills and prepare you for future tournaments.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.